Hello everyone, I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I'm so excited to share with you that they're fully stocked with the little pillow covers. And they have these tea towels that are 100% cotton. I love the inside print. They've done such a nice job this year with these. Little presents and elf boots, snowflakes, and this one here has little lights. So I'm not sure if the plain plaid plates have sold already because there's some here with a sentiment. Christmas ornaments. Things are selling pretty quick. It's amazing. I think these are newer. No, they were out last year. The little white ornamental balls, though, they're selling fast as well. Looks like it's a mix of spring here. What are they again? Apricots, peaches? I think this is the larger wreath, which is perfect for making wreaths. Let me check. Yes, 18 inches, so this is the larger one. They have two sizes. Well, and they also have smaller ones, but lots of picks here. Some things obviously are selling much faster than others, but the greenery, the picks, they, as soon as they're out, they pretty much sell out. Really like the selection that they have this year from their wood cutouts. The little gingerbread man, super cute. So many things you can do with that. You can stain it and then give them the little stitches. These are a great price as well because you'll find picks elsewhere for a little bit more, especially when they have the added pieces. Some of you will appreciate this wall of stickers. I'm not the only fan of stickers out here. And also, just wanted to share with you, look at these kits of stickers. They now have the puffy ones along with the holographic. Look how cute they are. They almost look like a material. Are these good for a magnetic board? Every time I see these at Dollar Tree, I think to myself, I think I should grab one, and then I wonder, what would I do with it? Where will I put it? It's just so cute. Oh, somebody was looking for these wooden picket fences. And my daughter was actually asking me for clips to hang some pictures in her room, but she wanted lights as well. But I can always add little lights to them, that's for sure. Let me think about this. I'm not sure the colors would work. I'd have to paint them, and that's a bit more work than This is part of the, is it called a resin? Resin or resin? Is it pronounced resin? The resin line from Dollar Tree. These as well, they sell so fast as soon as they're on the hooks. So the fabric squares, these ones here, they have them in a Christmas print as well. How cute are these for Christmas? I'm not feeling the chimney, but at least you can work with it now because winter time, but lots of Cricut. Oh, I wanted to share with you some of the coloring books that they have here. So if you're doing like a stocking stuffer, you know what's cute? If you roll one of these up, my mom used to roll up magazines for me and put them in a paper towel tube, you know, from the kitchen, from paper towels. And I used to love that. And she'd wrap it and put it as part of my stocking. I thought that was always a fun gift. Scholastic. I have not seen these at any of the other Dollar Trees I've been to, and I'm wondering if this is just a one-time thing. Does anyone have any feedback or reviews on this? I heard somebody else talking about it in the store, and I would have loved to tell them, yes, it's good, or no. Sometimes I do that with other products in the store. But yeah, if anyone has any feedback on that umbrella stroller cover, that would be awesome. Anything else that's... Take a look at the beauty supplies. Someone was saying that that one doesn't work very well, the nail filer. Anyone else have any reviews? I have an electric one, so... Well, these look interesting. Flip forward. I have an electric nail filer. These are cute for part of a stocking stuffer as well, or loop bag. If you aren't using these in your craft room or in your organization, I highly recommend them. The quality is much better. These are amazing as well. They stack nicely, and the quality of these have changed. The plastic is much nicer than it used to be. I'm not sure if these are a name brand, but they are new here at Dollar Tree. So it doesn't look like it's a staple made by Dollar Tree. They have lots of bath bombs. These, I don't know if they would make a mess in the bathtub. Yikes. These are also new to me. Again, I'm not familiar with the brand. These are really large bottles. Just the basic stuff here. Aluminum foil, some baking trays. At the end of this aisle is all of the bins, storage bins. Ours crackers are awesome. That's too bad. They were expired October 14th, a couple weeks out actually. They should be in the discount bin. Actually, that reminds me, the Pepperidge might be on discount now too, because I think it expired a few days ago. The stuffing mix. Does anyone like dill pickle on their popcorn? Sometimes the baby food is here and sometimes it's in the baby aisle. So if you're looking for it, just be mindful of that. They have a whole bunch of sprinkles. I did spot the Christmas sprinkles at another store and I shared that with you. This is a great find, actually. Really good value. By the way, this is the refill for this small one with the grinder. I didn't notice that. Quick walk down the cleaning supply aisle. Everything looks nice and organized here. Sometimes they have really good products by Velita, and I like to grab them. Here's the little scrub pads, but they often have other goodies. Oh, here's another one too on the handle. And the cleaners SOS pads. These little containers are actually great for making loop bags as well. I've now spotted these at a couple Dollar Trees. Has anyone tried them? I'm wondering if I should buy one for the craft room just to see little things like plastic. They have a ton of cleaning dish detergent, Old Dutch, Wizard. They have Vim and Dawn as well. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me. I do have another part to this store, so I will share with you tomorrow. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.
Not just yet. Autumn comes too soon.